Hey guys, Brandon Reeder here with the Victoria New Homes Group, powered by eXp Realty, proud to present our brand new luxury listing here at 552 Ridge Pointe Place. Let's go take a look.
We were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once over.
Welcome to 552 Ridge Pointe Place in beautiful Colwood, where space, style, and smart design come together in the perfect family home. Step inside the main home and feel the difference. Soaring 11-foot ceilings, wide plank engineered hardwood floors, and a stunning chef's kitchen with a gas stove, double oven, 2 sinks, and tons of storage. The open living area features a cozy gas fireplace, and the luxurious primary suite includes a custom walk-in closet and spa-like ensuite with soaker tub and massive walk-in shower. You'll love the dedicated laundry room, generous parking options including RV space, and the low-maintenance lot. Located just minutes from Royal Bay, beaches, parks, and schools, this home is more than beautiful. It's a brilliant investment in your future. This 3,251 square foot residence offers 7 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a bright, above-ground 2-bedroom suite with 9-foot ceilings, its own laundry, and private parking. This suite's easily convertible into a 3-bedroom for extra rental income or multi-generational living. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you'd like some more information or would like to schedule a tour, please visit us at www.victorianewhomesgroup.com.
In our prime, we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once over.